Thompson, and this is a short tutorial on how to use Google Earth for our scavenger hunt. The first thing you'll want to do is Google Earth, go to the first link that it provides. Once you get there, just go down to Launch Earth, and it should boot up. Given the fact that the entire school will be trying to boot up at the same time, do not be surprised if the loading times are a little bit long. I would suggest pulling up another assignment and getting it done in the meantime. That or reading a good book. Or, of course, audio tapes work as well, or even just a podcast. Here we are. So, here's the Earth. As you can see, we can click and drag the mouse to move it around, and we can use the mouse wheel to zoom in and out. If you're on a Chromebook, you can do the same thing, just click and hold the little keys you have, and to zoom in, you just spread your fingers out on the mouse pad, just like you would on your cell phone. Now, for what we're doing, we are going to be starting a project. So, over here on the left-hand side, you have a little button that says Project. What you're going to do is you're going to make a new project, create it in Google Drive, and go to Edit and title this Scavenger Hunt. And make sure to spell it right. For Mr. Thompson's class. Done. All right. Once you have your project made, we're going to need to add some new features to it. So, we need to add a place mark. Our first place mark needs to be the highest point on the Earth. Now, how do we find the highest point on the Earth? Well, we have the power of the internet, so let's just Google it. Mount Everest. Okay, where's Mount Everest? Well, if I go to my little magnifying glass on the left-hand side here, type it in, it'll even take me there. And because it's a landmark, it'll even give me the option to add to project. If you don't see this, you can always do so manually by going back to projects, go into scavenger hunt, new feature, place mark, right here on top of the mountain. I'll call this Mount Everest highest point. And I'll add it to my project of scavenger hunt and save. And you'll see it over here on the left-hand side. What you're going to do is find Mount Everest and all other 5 scavenger hunt items, and then upload a screenshot of your work, so just of this page over here, directly into Canvas. If you're not sure how to do that, I'll make another short tutorial below. Good hunting, everyone!